It arrived. That's the wrong way. There we go. The Pentium came today. We are putting it into the new server. Now this is going to be a bit more of a challenge than I originally thought, because the cooler that I'm going to use, which was the stock cooler that I used to use, has a back plate which is supposed to go on the back of the motherboard, and that's not currently on the back of the motherboard. We're going to have to take the whole motherboard out, which is going to be fun. It's not. Now mind you, I have no idea if this works or not, because that's why I decided to I don't know if the CPU works or not, because it arrived this morning and I haven't done anything with it. Here's the cooler. It's in my Arctic box because I needed somewhere to keep it. There's the stock cooler and there's the bracket, which we need to figure out how to install. So I guess we just gotta go ahead and take the thing off and try it out. Also, I wasn't even expecting it to come in box, but sometimes CX do that, so that's nice. There is no cooler, but that's no problem. It has the sticker, which is cool. Computer. So yeah, this is the inside of it, if you want to get a closer look. It's very small, as I mentioned previously, and we need to get the whole motherboard out. I remember last time I put a screw myself for the hard drive case, because I honestly could not find how to mount it properly, so I just went screw it, pun intended. How did I do this? Oh, there's another screw. Electric screwdriver wins. There's those proprietary SATA power that I was on about. Okay. Got it. Got it. That was actually not that difficult. Motherboard. Yeah, this is what I hated about this motherboard when I went to use this in my new case. It's got the soldered on bit for the front IO, so I had to literally just stuff it in. Let's get this bracket on the back of it. Right, we're gonna test it out of the case, and then if I have to do it again, then it's fine. So that's the plan now. Come here, Mr. Pentium. Yeah, it's got no cooler, it's just got the sticker. That's cool, I'm not gonna use it. There's the CPU. There it is. The Pentium. I should probably take it off of the case if I'm gonna do this. We're going to be using just normal Arctic MX4, like, that's what I use for everything, so. Cool. There you go. I think the bracket was in okay. That looks fine to me. Here is the case full of all the cables and stuff. So, we need to get the power supply plugged in, and then we can test boot it. Knowing me, I've probably done something completely wrong, but, I mean, I need to check it works, so. I'm doing this on a cardboard box just to make sure I don't, like, short anything out with the carpet. Probably not the best solution, but it's a solution. Okay, so this should turn on when I plug it in, but I need to get some RAM. Hold on, let's do that. Okay, so I have found, I got this from CX as well, which is pretty coincidental, but these are two 4GB sticks of RAM, so we'll have 8GB DDR4, which is fine for what I'm using, so it should be okay. I'm only going to do one stick just to make sure they both work. In theory, we can test boot this now. Alright, so we've got capture card connected, PC here, keyboard plugged in, and I'm going to plug it in and hope it works. Hey! Cool, we got HDMI. It's obviously not got a boot device, but yeah, cool, it's working. And does our CPU come up? Let's put the other 4GB in it and see if it works. Okay, reseat. Oh, it wasn't clicked down all the way, that's why. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I had a feeling that was a RAM. I had that issue before. And we have 8GB. Yeah, so that's a success. Let's put it all back together. And then we have a working machine that just needs discs. And I mean, like, hard disks and SSD, not CDs. Alright, cool. So let's get the system put back together, and then we can call it a day. Okay, so we've got it all back together, mostly, I think. I just got to put the side panel on. I'll put that in. Pretty good. Let's plug it in and see if it works properly. Okay, so it's pretty much done. I'm going to test run it once more and make sure it all works, but it should do. Oh, the RAM's come loose. Attempt number 2. That should hopefully work. Again? Bruh. Okay, that's fine. So the 4 gig Corsair stick is fine. So this one might have just not been in properly twice. Weird coincidence, but okay. Okay, that side's in. That side's in. Okay, that should be in now. I made sure it clicked. There we go. Yeah, there we are. Cool, so we have 8 gigs of RAM, 4 gigahertz Pentium Gold, and it's all working great. Does the power button work? It should do. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll put the side panel back on now. But yeah, if you like this video, feel free to like and sub if you want. I'm gonna make you, mate. You can do what you want. In the next video, I will be installing Windows Server, or something anyway. We'll be installing the hard drives and the operating system in the next one. So look out for that. Bye.